I'm dying. Can't find her someone to.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I decided to do the Supreme Samurai Knife review and legit check because I feel like this piece is gonna get faked a lot, so I wanted to cover it ahead of time. I feel like in a couple months after the season is over, there's gonna be a lot of these for like $20 on eBay, I promise you. So I wanted to cover it now so that you guys can have it. This was a highly anticipated item from this season. Like, I was waiting for this piece for a minute, much like a lot of other people. So without any further ado, if you guys do end up enjoying, leave a like on the video, subscribe down below, and click the post notifications. That would definitely mean a lot. But with all that out the way, let's get straight into this video. The first thing you would notice on the knife is the actual packaging. So it does have a little saying down there. It comes open, so this is the exact way that it should look. It has the box logo up here. Then it has the Stat Gear logo right there. It has the 5 Japanese symbols. Then it says Pocket Samurai right under it. This really stood out to me. I honestly really like this design. That's why I kept the whole thing. Then, like I said before, you have that on the bottom. You have the little tag right there in the corner. It says Stat Gear Pocket Samurai. You have the box logo in this corner. It says Caution. Then it basically shows you how to use it. It does have the box logo on the actual pictures as well. It says Pocket Samurai on the back with the same logos we saw on the front. It has specs right here as well. So this is what the back of the packaging should look like. I showed you guys the front. Now let's get into the actual knife. So on the knife, obviously you have the box logo right there on the front. It's like this waffle cut, and then where the box logo is, there's no waffle cut behind it, so it's actually flat right here, and it's actually on there. It's not like a sticker or anything. It's like actually a part of the knife. It's a pretty decent quality, if I must say so. It has this little knob right here. That's how you take the blade out with this. On the back right there, as soon as you open it, you have the little Stat Gear logo. I'll get some b-roll of it, but you have the Stat Gear logo right here at the bottom. Then right here you have like this little stainless circle part. It is a little bit raised. You can't really notice it that much, but it's like a little point. Like if you hold it this way, you would see that this part is a little bit more elevated, the little round part. So it's not all the way flat. It's like a little lump on it. You have the clip right here. The clip does have 2 screws on it. On the front of the knife, you have the little 5 logos right here, like I told you earlier. I'm gonna get some b-roll of it, but there's 5 little logos right here. I feel like that gives it a really nice touch. Honestly, this piece is really crazy in my opinion. The size isn't that huge. It's like 3 fingers when it comes to the actual knife. I actually do like that because the other knives are small as shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you, and I don't really like that much, but this one is a really decent size. It's not huge, but it's not small. It's legal size since it's like 3 fingers on the blade. That's why you can wear it on the keychain, but this is nice. It does have the clip on the back right here. This is the way that the keyring part looks at the top. It has a little screw right under the keyring part, like right next to it kinda, and you can see that metal bar going inside where the screw is, both sides. I know you guys might be like, yo, this shit just dropped, there's no fakes, but trust me, there is gonna be fakes of this. It's like a 99.100% that they're gonna make fake of these, I'm telling you. It does have the box logo right there. That's the only branding really. And on the back it has the Stat Gear, like I said earlier. On the front you have the 5 little logos. I don't know what language that is, so I don't want to call it something because I don't want to seem, you feel me, but this is clean. It's like a little boxy type feel. It's like a katana basically, but a small version. It's sharp as shit. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is sharp, which is pretty cool. The back is thicker than the front. I don't know what else to say. Like, this is a pretty good piece. Definitely one of the better accessories this season. Probably the best in my own opinion. That's just my opinion, but I did really like this piece. I feel like I pretty much covered everything on it. Like, there's a little gap right there. The way you open it and close it is by this little lever right there. You just push it and it's closed. Have the clip on the back with the 2 screws. You have the little key ring. This is the size on it, nothing big. You have this little screw right there on the front, which has like 3 little dots in it, and it's like in a triangle shape. I want you guys to know all the little details so you don't get scammed on shit. But that pretty much does it for the whole legit check portion, the review. I definitely definitely feel like this piece, it's a 9 out of 10, probably a 9.5 out of 10. Like the execution is A1. The box logo branding, I feel like it pops more on this one than on the red one. That's just my personal take on it. I really do like this piece and I'm glad I was able to get it. But let me know what you guys think about the actual knife, like the execution on it, the actual like craftsmanship. I feel like this is a pretty clean piece. The details are A1. Like it's just a really clean, simple knife, and that pretty much does it. Like I said before, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe for more content like this. I'm gonna try to bring you guys a whole lot of different Supreme content. I'm just not trying to stick on only Supreme. Like I have a lot of other ideas that I want to incorporate to the channel, which I'm gonna soon enough start bringing them to you guys. The season is about to come to an end, and I'm not just about to stop posting. I'm actually about to start going harder because I feel like I've been slacking. Thank you guys for 3,800 subscribers. That shit means a lot. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Cautious, I'm dying.